Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, we are going to learn the phrase to run something by you. Alright, to run something by you. Alright, so to find out what this means, please stay tuned. But first, let's begin with a quick review of last week's class. Alright everyone, so imagine I ask you, what do you think about their latest offer? So we're doing some negotiations, but you think I shouldn't take the deal unless they improve their offer. So how do you say that using the expression from last week? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about it. Are you ready? Okay, and go! Alright, and time is up. If you said, yeah, it's not enough, they must sweeten the deal, then that's exactly right. Well done, and thank you for remembering last week's class. Okay, everyone, let's move on to run something by you. Alright, now this is what I sometimes hear. Okay, I'm talking to my good friend and colleague Taro, and Taro wanted to talk to me, but I was a little bit busy, so I'm getting back to him now. So I say, Taro, sorry, did you want to talk to me about something? Taro says, yes, I wanted to ask your opinion. What do you think about this design, for example? Okay, that's good. Easy to understand. I see what Taro wants me to do, and he wants to ask for my opinion. All right, this is fine. However, you might hear a native English speaker say, yes, I wanted to run something by you. What do you think about something? Okay? So when you say, I want to run something by you, it means, can I ask for your opinion or can I ask for your thoughts about something? Now here's an extra tip. You can change something into anything you like. So for example, if you want to be more specific, you can say, yes, I wanted to run this design by you, meaning I wanted to get your opinion on this design. Or, can I run this proposal by you, meaning can I get your opinion on this proposal? Okay? So it's very useful and you can use it in many situations. Run something by you. Okay? Alright, so pronunciation as you see it here, so please repeat after me. Yes, I wanted to run something by you. Okay, the rhythm of that is run something by you. Alright, so your turn. Go ahead. Alright, good. Now, after my question here. So, did you want to talk to me? Good. So, yeah, I wanted to run this English email by you. What do you think about the grammar, for example? Okay, so please remember this for next time. Okay, our bonus question this week is another way to say together think. Alright, we covered a better way to say this in one of our previous videos, so take a look if you have the time. And of course, I will leave the answer to last week's bonus question in the information below. Okay, everyone, so that is it for us this week. Thank you always for watching. Have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.